Hey Jacqueline, what's going on? My name is Aiden Resendiz here, coming to you over at Audi Fall River. Today showing you this beautiful 2022 Audi A3. Stay tuned, let me show you around. Alrighty Jacqueline, follow me around this beautiful vehicle here, sitting right on our showroom floor, fully detailed and ready to go. First thing you're going to notice are these updated LED headlights coming from Audi here. Super bright, nice and easy to see at nighttime. Of course, you got the chrome accents on the front grille with the chrome Audi fall rings. Moving along the side here, you're going to notice front sensors on the vehicle. The vehicle does have front and rear sensors. Moving around, you're going to see these beautiful body lines coming through the whole body, front to back. And Ibis white is the name of this color here. Really sleek, classy. Can't go wrong. Power folding mirrors, of course. Keyless entry on all four doors here. Gas tank is on the rear of the vehicle. Vehicle is sitting on all-season Pirelli tires, 17-inch wheels. Super sleek, nice and easy. Moving around the back here, LED tail lights, of course. Take a peek in the trunk here. Of course, this one does have the all-weather mats built right in. Underneath the trunk space, you do have a spare tire, which is very nice. A lot of times you'll see fix-a-flats or just nothing at all. Backup camera, LEDs. Take a peek at the rear trunk, the rear seating area. Full genuine leather, of course, front and rear. Decent amount of rear space for the rear passengers, even though this is a smaller sedan. And take a peek at this driver's seat here. Let me hop in. I'll show you around the inside a little bit. Alrighty Jacqueline, thanks for joining me inside the vehicle here. This A3 is a premium plus with the technology package, so you're essentially seeing a loaded A3 here. It is sitting at 6,823 miles, barely driven here. This was actually an executive demo. One of the owners was trying it out there, so that's where you're seeing the mileage come from, but it's really a brand new vehicle here. Again, power folding mirrors, heated mirrors. You're going to have blind spot monitoring built in. You are going to have a poor weather lighting system, seat and mirror position memory for 2 people in this vehicle. As far as safety features goes, you have your backup camera, of course. You will have front and rear brake assist, so the vehicle will stop in case of an emergency either way. Rear cross traffic alert, if somebody's flying down the road, you go to open up your door, they'll actually prevent you from doing that as well. You are going to have adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, as well as some features above the steering wheel as well. Of course, all leather wrapped. Your virtual cockpit is fully customizable here, so you have the ability to change all the displays. My favorite one being able to pull your full navigation system right on this screen here. Now, as we move on to the middle of the dashboard here, this is going to be your main MMI. All the main controls are right in here for all of your settings, vehicle settings. Everything's built right into the main screen here. Climate control down below. You are going to have heated seats on these 2 front seats. As we move down a little bit further as well, you're going to notice you have a few different buttons. You can pull up your parking cameras anytime, as well as park assist if you need a little bit of help parallel parking, especially if you're out in the more city areas where parking is a little bit tighter. Now, keyless entry is on this vehicle. We're seeing keyless entry and blind spot missing from a lot of our 2023 A3s, so that's a huge plus coming here and seeing this. Different shifter, typical or different than your typical vehicle, but I think it's a cool, simple, easy design, kind of bulletproof. You can't really have anything go wrong here. Just pull down or push up and you got your park right there. Bang & Olufsen sound system is built into this vehicle. Best sound system on the market. I just bought a brand new Audi and I literally said I'm not getting a new Audi unless it has Bang & Olufsen. So I have had an absolutely fantastic experience with my sound system in my vehicle. It's my favorite feature actually. But anyways, as we move up here, I'm going to have a couple different buttons up top, frameless mirror, automatically dimming, of course. You are going to have LED tap lights throughout the vehicle, being able to just make things a little bit brighter inside. Emergency SOS if you need police, ambulance, fire department, roadside assistance, and these are just some microphones here to pick up your voice as you're talking. Wireless phone charging, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all of those will be standard on this vehicle as well. But then lastly, I do have this beautiful sunroof. Alrighty, Jacqueline, I hope this video gave you a little bit better of an idea what this 2022 A3 is all about. Please feel free to reach out to me directly at any point if you have any additional questions, concerns, or you want to swing by and check it out in person, which I would highly recommend. You can reach out to me directly via text or call at 774-322-1975 is my personal cell, or you can call the store directly at 508-678-5555. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for stopping by.